So this is editor Megan. This was made about a few weeks ago. I just forgot to post it. So enjoy. Okay, so I just went to the store and got some stuff. So I'm gonna do a little haul / unboxing. Big Fuggler. This was $10 and at Target, which okay, I got it open. Oh, that's cute. It's like a little wrapper. This normal sized Fuggler. And then I got this mystery keychain Fuggler, which was $3. So you guys get the first look.
Oh, well, that's the card.
Okay, so wait.
That shows what it is, I'm pretty
Let's
sure.
see what I can get. These are the common ones I can get. And then these 4 are rare. And then these 2 are ultra rare. So
Let's hope you get an ultra rare.
let's see what I get. Okay, you guys get the first look. Okay, 3, 2, 1. It's a common. It's really cute. I love this. I love you guys.